A really important part of a student's learning is their ability to demonstrate or justify understanding. I'm going to show you a strategy using Microsoft OneNote, a program called Community Clips, which allows for video capture, and worldwide telescope. In this demonstration, let's assume the students were asked a question where they had to demonstrate their understanding of why Antarctica has so much daylight in summer and so much darkness in winter. As you can see here, I'm using worldwide telescope and I've zoomed into Earth. You can see by clicking on the View button that the date is in summer in Australia, where we're pointing at the moment. You can see here that Antarctica has quite a bit of sun. I would ask the students to take a screenshot of this using the shortcut key Windows S. Put it on the clipboard, take it back into OneNote and simply paste it into their OneNote page. Now they have the graphic in their notebook. Let's go back into Worldwide Telescope again, and this time we need a picture of the same thing in winter. So let's move the date forward by 6 months. Obviously we are around the wrong side of the Earth now, so just spin that back around like this. Here's Australia pointing at the sun, and Antarctica pointing at the sun in winter. Let's grab a screenshot of that once again, put it on the clipboard, take it into OneNote and paste. So now all we have is two images side by side, one showing summer and one showing winter. The students would then be asked to justify their understanding of what is happening. To do that, I would ask them to use Community Clips, which you can access via this little computer icon down the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Once activated, Community Clips allows them to define a region, like this, which becomes the area in which their video will be recorded. Anything inside that orange box, once they click OK, is going to be recorded in a video. It's recording now, so let's pretend I'm a student. So this is what I think is happening with the pictures that I've included below. The Earth is on a 23.5 degree tilt. You can see here that the Earth's axis is on 23.5 degrees tilt and 23.5 degree tilt here, regardless of which side of the sun the Earth is on. Here you can see that Antarctica is receiving an awful lot of sunlight, so I would say this is summer. And down here, interestingly, Antarctica is receiving no sunlight. In this way, the student should be able to demonstrate their understanding that this picture would be winter, and the one on the left would be summer. When the student's finished, they can stop the recording and see they've created this. The student can see they've created a video that shows their inking on top of it. As a teacher, you can see that they're talking through their understanding and inking on their screen at the same time. Now, I'm just going to save this in my videos and close down Community Clips. Next, the student can put that video straight into their OneNote page. If they open up their video section, go to Videos and go down to their video, which is here, they can drag that video, hover it over the OneNote icon, and drop it onto their piece of paper. OneNote will give them the option to insert a copy of that video straight onto the page. As you can see now, this video, which was created by a student, is sitting right next to where they did their work. In the past, students would only have given you their finished diagram and maybe a written explanation. Now, by using this method, you can see them demonstrate their understanding and hear their thinking as they go through the process. That is a valuable tool for learning.